Today we will try to make a YouTube channel with the help of ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. First, let's go to the OpenAI site and log in if you are not. I am thinking of opening a ukulele channel where I will teach Bollywood songs for absolute beginners. So, let's ask ChatGPT to generate some good ukulele channel names suitable for Bollywood ukulele channel. Here are some of the names it generated. They sound good. Let's also come up with a good YouTube channel description for our channel. Pause this video and see how beautifully it generated the description. Make sure you document everything that you will be using for your channel. Now we need a logo for our channel, so let's head over to Midjourney AI. You need to have Discord for it to use this service. Let's write the prompt by telling it to generate a YouTube channel logo where it shows Beats headphones and ukulele. After it is done generating, we can pick one that suits the best. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Let's choose the third logo since it is easier to edit the text for us. Click on U3 will give us an upscale version of the image. This is it for this video. In the next part, we will learn how we can quickly create YouTube intro and outro, add text to the logo we generated by Midjourney AI, and also set up a YouTube channel. This video voice is actually generated by AI for free. Let me know if you want to learn how to do it too. At last, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to Tech and Knowledge for fun and exciting learning.